One thing a lot of people don't realize when it comes to window tint is not only about making your vehicle look cooler or darker, but it's also the comfort that comes with it. At MirrorHaus, we carry ceramic window film because we care about long-term performance and the quality of the film we install in your vehicle. Dyed films tend to fade over time, and one thing they don't do is block heat. Ceramic film never fades, reduces heat, cuts the glare, and keeps you cool during these brutal Louisiana summers. We offer everything from 5% to 70% for your vehicle. On this Jeep, we did 20% all the way around in ceramic window film. 5% is going to give you maximum privacy, while 20 and 35% is going to be a more natural factory look. Your 50s and 70% window films are going to be more of your windshields to help reduce that heat. The biggest thing you notice with ceramic window film isn't the way it looks, but it's how it makes you feel driving your vehicle every single day. If you're looking for better comfort, interior protection, and overall better appearance for your vehicle, ceramic window tint is a great option for you. At MirrorHaus, we have you covered with some of the best films on the market, so be sure to check out our website at MirrorHausLA.com or give us a call at 504-439-5841. Thank you for watching. Peace.